All right, so we're gonna get started now, ladies. But let me press pause on this a little second here. So it's 6 o'clock on the dot, wherever you are in the world. It is 6 p.m. in Jamaica. A beautiful, as usual, warm day in Jamaica. But before we actually start, I wanted to just give some honor to the whole point of this class. It's a free class to spread breast cancer awareness. And as a new member of the physiotherapy community, it is a part of my duty, ladies. And so if I have to give a class away for free in order to have more persons aware of what breast cancer is all about, then I'm going to do it. All right, because it's really important for us as women, everybody, not just women, but everybody to be aware of why we celebrate what is known as Pinktober. All right, so of course, breast cancer, very quickly, ladies, breast cancer is cancer of the breast. Very simple, really to the point. It's a non-communicable disease, and that simply means, for the persons who don't know, it means that it's not contagious. So unlike coronavirus, where you can touch somebody and catch it, with breast cancer, there are various factors that have, play a part in it. So it could be you have inherited it from a family member. It could be just that you have not so great eating habits. It could be that you just don't exercise. It could be several different factors. You could be exposed to several different things. All right, it's very important to get yourselves checked out monthly. All right, and what I have gone ahead and done, for those who follow me on
turn up button there.
On the spot. Christina Gonzalez, that is my
Fine, one button, I'm not sure which one.
Actually added to my URLs a link to my
one
of how to do a self-check exam. All right, a self-breast check exam. This was on YouTube by an Australian group, an Australian health channel. So I really want you guys to go out, check it out. Really straightforward, really beautiful graphics. Go ahead, check it out, and get it. All right, so we're gonna get Mr. Sells. Can you hear her? Oh, let me mute everybody. Please try to mute yourselves. Everybody, where's my? Let me see here. You should be able to mute yourself. So once you mute yourself, as soon as you mute yourself, then your voice will not be heard over the video. So right now I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording. And as long as I'm recording, your video will not be shown because my video is a spotlight. Let me double check that. Yes, my video is spotlight now, so don't worry about your video being shown. So if you're shy, you want to keep your video closed, that's fine. If you want to put your hand up, you're not getting a move, you can go ahead and put your hand up. You can also use the chat feature. For persons who are new to Zoom, it's usually at the more. So once you select more, you will see where it says raise your hand, chat, mute yourself, or whatever have you. All right, so we're going to get started. We're starting with some cardio, and we're going to end with some whining 101. So the very first part of the class is really about getting your energy up, getting your heart rate going, pumping, and really warming up those joints so that we can get into whining 101. Okay? All right, so here we go, ladies, starting with some soca. And I'm going to be using. All right. So we're just going to start with some stepping, yeah? And what I want you to focus on as well is deep breathing. So really focusing on the exhale, big breath out, and inhaling, and exhaling. So really focus more so on the exhale than anything else. All right, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in, deep breath, breathe in. Bring the arms up, open the chest, breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in, and out. Breathe in, breathe out. We want to reach side to side. Really warm that body up, especially if you've been standing or sitting all day. An excellent way to get the heart rate up, get the blood pumping, lubricate those joints. That's it, ladies, that's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful mix from the DJ, Private Ryan himself. Listen. Twist the body. So when we're doing whining, we're going to be incorporating all of these movements, yeah? So really stretch the body, rotate, Nice is an active stretch here. Want to lift the legs up. Lift them up. 2, 3, 4. Nice hamstring stretch. That's it, ladies. Again, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, open, put it down. Open. Great stretch for the hamstrings. Yeah, that's it. Don't lose your balance now. Again, 3, 4. Good. Up. 2. That's it. 3 and 4. Hold that balance. And all the way. Bring it in. 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go into a sumo squat. 2. So hold it there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Just step for me. 2. We're gonna go into that sumo squat again. Excellent stretch, especially since we're gonna be doing some whining. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ladies, remember to mute your mics. Please mute your mics. If you don't mute your mics, you disturb everybody else. Understand? Look at your panel of your screen. You're supposed to tap on it. Make sure the microphone flash right across it. Mute your mics. Mute your mics. Thank you. Mute your mics. Yes, mute them all. Keep stepping side to side. Sumo squat. Let's go. Sumo squat. Bend. And when you do this, mind to muscle connection, mind to joint connection, think about opening those hips. Nice open up for the hips. That's good. Yes, ladies. Focus on the breath out. Remember, the first part of the class is the most intense part of the class. If you're feeling a cramp, stand up and shake it out. 5, 6, 7. Give me hit. Push. 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 Again. Hey, push. 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 I want to see some hips. Again. Push the hip. Push the hip. That's it. That's it. That's it. Just here in a minute. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Let me see who's here tonight. I know in Australia it's morning. Hi, Sandy. Good morning to you. Hi, Tharini. Hi, Valencia. Hi, Danielle. Hi, Lynn. Soul Child. Hello. Galicia. Oh my God. If I butcher your name, I apologize. Keep pushing the hips. This is warm up. Galacia or Galacia. Patrice, Giselle, Jazette, Rebecca, Deandra, Rachel, Lena, Marsha, Sani, Lena, RC, Kenisha, Andy, Jackie's, okay. April, big up yourself, April, Kelly. All right, ladies, so keep moving. Keep moving the hips from side to side. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really get a feeling of those hips. Push them side to side. Really get your mind to muscle connecting. Push the hips. That's it. That's it, girls. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to turn to the side. Here I'm going to go forward, back. Hey. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. Hey, 1. And if the legs get tired, you can ease off of that bend a little bit. If they're not tired, you stay down there. You stay. Swing some, like a swing in the park. Work on, hey, side. Push the hip. Really take part in this part because I really want you to go warm when we get to the winding segment. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Hey. 2, 3, 4. Again. Push the hip. Push the hip. Here we go. In the center. Meet me in the middle. Push the hip. 2. Push it out a little bit more force. Push the hip. So what I want you to think about now is not just moving the hip side to side, but now you're lifting. Lift. lift. And if I turn right around, you see my booty is kind of lifting. It lifts, lift, 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 lift. We're gonna go through all of these in Winding 101, don't you worry. Lift it, lift, hey, practice. Hey, go down, sit up. Go, hey, go down, come up, go down, come up, go down, come up, go down, come up. All right, so we'll go side. Hold on, before we go side, let me get your breath. Center yourself a little bit. Here we go. We're gonna go side, back, side, and forward. That's what I want you to say in your head. Side, back, side, and forward. Side, back, side, and forward. Back, back, ta, 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 ta. So we go side, back, side, forward. Again, side, back, side, forward. Go it again, side, back, side, forward. The words of the song, man. Side, back, hey, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, push it back, side, forward, side, push it back, side, forward. That's it, side. Listen, keep going, keep going. Ladies, if you see some professionals in here, they've been with me for the last few months. Listen, if you see some professionals in here, don't get intimidated, all right? Back, they've been here. And let it go. 2, 3. So I have to make a conscious effort not to look at them because they know what they're doing. There we go. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Side, side, push back, side, forward. Now all of this is helping you to stretch the hip. So I really want you to exaggerate that hip moving to the side, back, and side and forward. Again, keep going. Side, back, side, forward, side, back. I'm going to turn to the side. So you see that I'm really emphasizing it. We go side, back, side, forward, side, push back, side, forward, side. I push back, side, forward, side, push back, side, push forward. Yes, side, push back, side. Let it go. Around, 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 around. Get into it. Just practice that. Yes, that's it. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. Dip with it. Dip, come up. Dip, come up. Dip, come up. Dip, come up. And if one side is a little bit difficult for you, don't you worry about it. Okay? What I like to tell persons, for example, we're all going to this side now, which is my left. You can always start back at point, 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 point. Because essentially it's the same thing that you're doing to either side. It's just that one side is always dominant. Don't you worry about it. One side is always more dominant. Okay? The great thing, or the good luck for me, the luck for me, is that I have to teach while facing you. So I have no choice but to be good on both sides. Alright? Here we go. Let it go. Alright. 2, 3, 4. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, just let it go. Dip it. 3, 4. Bring it up. 2, 3, 4. That's it. Go down. 2, 3, 4. Come up. 2, 3, 4. Go down. Hey, 1, 2. That's it. 3, 4. Come up. That's good. 2, 3, 4. Go down. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come up. Hey, 1. That's it. That's it. Back, down. 3, 4. Come up. 2, You're all right. Step inside to side. Step side to side, ladies. Good job. Keep going. Step side to side. 2, 3. Again, step side to side. We have just one more drill before we go into the winding 101, all right? What I want you to do now, hip. Push the hip to the side. So, for example, if we were usually doing this, all I want you to do now is hit, push the hip. All right? So what is happening? Just one drill. Well, we have a lot more drills to go, but just one more in the warm-up segment. What I want you to think about is just pushing the hip. Just push it. So if somebody's right here, you're using your hip to boom stem. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, that's it. 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side, hit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let it go, let it go. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go back it up. Back, back. As low as you can. Last drill. Last one. Last one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push it back. Push it back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Step it up. 2. Hey, a big man. All right. Here we go. Down, 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 down. Push it back. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Swing it back. Swing it back. 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 Hey. 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 That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Hey. One. Hey. 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 Let it go. Drop. 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 All right. Breathe out. Okay, ladies. I think we're warm. I think we're warm. How about you? Focus on the breath out. Really focus on that breath out. So here's what we're going to move into now. We're going to do what we refer to as Whining 101. Whenever we meet here for Fitness Fridays, we have different styles, all right? We have different styles, and one of those is Whining 101, all right? Why am I selecting Whining 101 for today? Because that's what I use to pull you in, and I know a lot of you are here to learn the whining that you saw in that little promo that I did. And that's fine, that's perfectly okay. All right? Okay, breathe out. Let me find really nice little playlist, one of my favorite playlists. Here we go. Afro beats. Here we go. So, what I want to encourage you to do, grab a sip of water. Room temperature is always best. Room temperature is always best because your body doesn't have to use all that energy to regulate that water from cold back to regular body temperature. All right? So if you're drinking cold water, you can get cramps, you can get all kinds of discomfort. So I encourage you to have some room temperature water. All right? The first thing we're going to start with, give me a thumbs up if you're hearing my voice over the music. Are you hearing my voice? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. So here we go. Head is going to rotate. So we're going around, around. And you can feel free to either come to a stance or you can step it out. If you feel uncomfortable just coming to a sudden halt, you can step it out. Reversing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to turn to the right side, left, right, to the side, side, to the side, side, to the side. Tilting the head over and over again. 2. And each time you do it, you want to feel a nice little stretch. If at any point you feel like you need a little bit more of a stretch, go ahead and hold to one side more than the other side. That's fine. Listen to your body. So this class is all about fluidity. It's all about really connecting to the mind to body, the mind to body connection, okay? Centering yourself. right, shoulders up, bring them down. Shoulders up, bring them down. That's good. Shoulders up, all the way up to the air, down. Up and down. Essentially what we're doing is what is known as an active stretch. Really stretching the body before we get into it. And down. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4 and down. We're going to roll shoulders back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring it to the elbows. Elbows up and down. 2. I want you to connect with every single joint. Now get the wrists in. Bend the wrists in. 2, 3. I see you, baby. I see you on Josette's screen. I see you. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I taught kids for about 10 years. Let me tell you, the best experience I've had is working with kids. I love working with kids, so it's fine. I understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, twist the wrist. Rotate the wrist outwards. I'm going outward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Floating wrist. We're going to go over. Floating wrist. So all we're doing here is just moving the wrist. This is always a difficult concept for everybody to understand. Even for myself when I was first learning it. A friend from Bali, I was doing a cultural exchange online and she taught this to me. And then when I did a little bit more research, I realized, oh my God, this is beautiful. It's a really nice way of activating the muscles in the wrist. All right, here we go. All right, bring the fingers in, bring them up. Fold the fingers under, fold them out. Again, keep going. And out, and in, and out. Keep folding. Fold those fingers, and out. Fold those fingers, and out. I'm like a river here. And open. Fold them, and in. Again, a tight fist. Release. Tight fist. And if you hold your cell phone, if you're holding a mouse all day, this should be really good. It should feel really great for you. Open the fingers as wide as you can. So my fingers tend to hyperextend, yeah? So don't feel like you have to bring your fingers all the way back. Some persons hyperextend, some persons don't. That's fine. Just go to a nice stretch. All right, so now we're going to bring the hands just like this. Get a nice stretch in. That's it. Bring the hands down. Down. Bring them up. Down. All the time, focusing your breath. Again. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, and open, together again, open, together again, open, together again, open, together again. Again, really, when you're doing these, I want you to think of control. Yes, bring the fingers into it. And in. And like I say in every class, don't let your body control you. Sometimes your body will give you little cues that say, come on girl, we gotta do this like this. Listen to your body will show you how. But at the same time, don't give up in between and say, oh, I can't do this. When your body's clearly showing you how to do it. Alright? Out. Alright. Bring the shoulders in. We're going to move to a little bit of a sequence, if you will. So we're going to go shoulder, elbow, finger, shoulder. That's what we're going to be doing. Here. Alright? Let me show that to you. 5. Here is what we're going to do. So we're going to go shoulder, elbow, wrist, and finger. Alright? So, shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger. Good. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger. fingers, down. And pretend you're on cloud 9. That's it, keep going. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger, down. 3, one more time that side. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger, and down. We're gonna move to the other side. 3, 2, 1. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger, down. 3, 2, 1. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, finger, bring it down. 2, 1. Here we go, a little faster. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, bring it down. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, bring it down. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, bring it down. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, put it down. Okay, we're going to bring both arms down. 2. Yes. Again. 1. Keep going. 1, 2. Good. So you want to feel like you're on cloud 9. You're on cloud 9. So we want to first start off with the upper body, because when you get into the hips, most of us catch the hips really easy, but then we don't know what is going off, what is that off factor that we're not getting. And many times it's just that you need to coordinate the upper body with the lower body. All right? So we're going to go again. This time we're going to isolate. So we're going to go here, 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 here. All right, think about it again. We go shoulder, elbow, wrist, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and finger. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and finger. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and finger. Keep going, keep practicing, everybody. And if you have a mirror, if you have a reflection, if you can pin your video, go ahead and do it and look at yourself. So I look through at everybody and I'll give little tips to everyone, okay? So if you hear me giving a correction to anybody, it could mean that you might be doing the same thing as well. So you can listen to the same correction. So I am going to go through and just look at everybody. Yes. Good. Shoulder. Not bad. Not bad at all, April. Nice. Really feel it a little bit more. So feel free. Yes. Stretch the body a little bit. That's it, girl. Nice, April. Keep going. All right, Lynn. Yes. So Lynn is still at the isol. That's good. That's fine. Keep going. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and finger. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and finger. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. Yes. All right. So I'm only seeing a half of Josette. Elbow. Yes. Keep going. Yes. Nice stuff. Nice stuff. Yes, I'm seeing one arm from Gisette. Nice stuff. Keep going. Let me see here. Let me see here. Let me see here. Okay, no problem. No problem. So, all right, let me see. All right, I'm going to pronounce your name 2 ways. Gelacia or Gelacia. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Because my mic is in, but is it Gelacia or Gelacia? Gelacia. All right. I think I'm, okay, Gelacia. All right, go ahead, Gelacia. Yes, so your isolation, good. So isolation is good. Don't forget the fingers. We always forget, yes. Remember, yes, girl. Remember the fingers, elbow, wrist, and fingers, yes. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and finger. So keep doing just like this. Keep doing the isolation. And then what I want you to focus on while you do this is just really melting it. Breathe in. Here. So I don't even want, for everybody, I don't want you to think too hard about the come down. Really just think about the going up. Yes, Daniel, very good. A little bit more shoulder, Daniel. A little bit more shoulder. Yes. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and fingers. That's it. That's it. I'm telling you, ladies, I'm telling you, my professionals are in this class, okay? All right, keep going. I'm looking at you, Patrice. Keep going. Yes. 1. Yes, it will feel awkward at first and you may not get it in the very first class, but I'm going to post this video to YouTube afterwards so you'll be able to catch it and practice it afterwards as well. So keep going. I'm looking at you, Patrice. Keep going, girl. Don't you worry about it. Relax the shoulders. Relax the shoulders. Good job. Keep going, but Valencia. Good job. Yes. But bend the elbow a little bit. Bend the wrist. Bend the elbow. Bend the wrist. Yes. So don't think about flashing. More of a gentle breeze. So almost like a silk fabric blowing in the wind. Where's my flag? So a little fabric. Yes. 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 And release the fingers. Hair, hair, hair. 2, 1. So, all right. So Valencia, I see what you're doing wrong. Valencia. So what I want you to think about, when you go here, just leave it there and come down. So what I see you doing, you go up and then you do a second release. But just think about just going up and just bringing it right back down. Down. Yes. Down, yes. And now really free up the fingers, free the hand. And don't think too much about swatting. All right, we're not swatting flies. All right? All right, good job, ladies. Keep going. All right, so we're going to move on from this one. I think we have this one for everybody. Yes, Tarini. Yes, Tarini's shoulders are hurting her. That's okay. Just relax. Relax, Sandy. Relax, Sandy. Relax, Tarini. You guys were looking beautiful when I just switched to you and you just stopped. So, all right. So we're going to move on. Let me see the time quickly. All right, we have a lot of time. So the next thing I want to show you is something that I showed the ladies the last time, very quickly before going to the torso. We did hair. Hair. So I'm going to show this to you. So what the hands are doing is hair. So one hand is flipped down while the other hand is up. And quite simply, you're going to turn the hands right up, turn them down. Now, some persons, they have a lot more flexibility in their wrists, and so they're able to bring their wrist all the way back here to get a flat angle. That's fine. You don't have to go all the way back there to get the shape. So we go on the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all of these arm motions, ladies, all these arm motions, we're going to be adding them to the hips in just a short while, all right? I'm actually also going to be giving you a chance to practice all of this on your own, all right? So we will do a little bit of a practice session as well. Yes, keep going. 1, keep going. Hey. Good. Try to keep the arms flowing. So less of a bend. Yes, nice, Danielle. Nice, Valencia. Good. Good. Good, Jalecia. Very nice. All right. What is it? You have to, okay, let me do it again. For the persons who didn't catch it, one hand is going down while one hand is up, right? And all you're going to do is think about flipping the hands like that. So I'm doing a series. If I should come closer, that's what you're doing. So if you should see me in the camera, that's what I'm doing. This one is testing you. April, if this is testing you, boy, I don't know. Hair. That's what I'm doing. 1. So it's like the last class I said, think about dolphins. So if you had a dolphin or probably even a wave, that's what they're doing. So all they're doing is dip down, dip up, dip down, one hand. So if I do one hand, dip down, dip up, go down and up and down and up. I go down and up, down and up. Yes, down and up, down. Where is the other hand now? Down, it's the same thing. The only difference, that's all you're doing. I notice I try to keep the elbows as straight as possible. On the beat, hey. So if you add both of them, it looks like that. The same thing. Yes, April, yes, that's it. That is exactly it. Yes. So Lynn, if you turn to the side, let me see if you're doing it. Turn to the side, let me see you. Yes, much better than before. Much better than before. Yes. Nice soul child. Very good soul child. Bet I can't see your hands, Josette. Yes. Bet I can see your hands now. Yes. So the only thing I'd say, Josette, the only thing I'd say, don't turn your hand in like this. So the hands are literally going from here to here. I don't want you to think of bringing it, don't bring the palms in like that, right? Don't bring the palms in like that at all. Keep them turned down and they just go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you see, at no point do I actually turn the hand around. I know this one is rough. We're going to do it 8 more times, and then we're going to move on. Let me pat down. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, hands, position the hands. We're going in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And what I want you to think about as well, if you're feeling bold enough, move the hips from side to side and see if you can work the coordination into it. Nice, beautiful stuff happening. Yes, soul child. Keep going. Let me move across my screen here. Yes, Danielle. That's it. Don't think too much about it, Patrice. Just relax into it. Don't turn the hands up. So, just like I said a while ago, Patrice, don't think about turning the hands up at all. The hands stay turning down. So my hands stay turning down like that. They never turn like this. They always stay down. And then you just switch. Yes. And then all you want to think about now is going up and down. Up and down. Hold on, up. No. Look. I see you. There you go. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Other hand. Up, down. Up and down. Very nice stuff. Daniel and Valencia. Keep going. Very nice stuff. Up and down. Now you're going to go up and down. Let me tell you something. Let me give you a tip, ladies. So here's what I want you to think about. You see, hold on a second. Let me even pause the music, because I say this in every class, but sometimes it's something like this has to be said. You see, if at any point, and I always have my beach towel, because I always sweat like this. Don't worry, ladies, I'm okay. So, you see, once you feel like your body is fighting you, it's fighting you for a reason. Okay, let me look up at my camera. I'm looking at the TV. Once you feel like your body is fighting you, it's because it's telling you, stop it. This is not the way. It cannot be done. Ladies, think about it. I have 2 arms. I have 2 legs. All right? If it is, right? So if you're doing something and it feels weird, you say, this just doesn't, what's going on? Something is wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Okay? It's usually wrong. Okay? So really think about going down and down and down and down. All right? So like I said, I'm going to post this video to YouTube. So some of the ladies, I said, my professionals in here are, listen, don't look at them, they're professionals, okay? So I'm going to post this video to YouTube. So we're going to move on, because like I said, I don't like when persons overthink. So once you start to overthink, sometimes you get it at first, but then you start to overthink and say, oh my God, probably not getting it right. No. So let's move on. Let's leave it alone, forget about it. We're going to move on to something else, all right? And then we're going to come back to it and add everything together at the end. So now what I want us to be doing is isolating that torso. So moving the torso, you notice that we haven't even reached the hips yet. We haven't reached the hips because all of these things are involved in whining, right? Yes. So we're going to move the torso. So if you thought moving the hands was hard. Oh my God. Here we go. We're gonna shake. Shake. So you want to think about your rib cage. So your rib cage is right here. Push the rib cage over. So if you even want to feel it, push. So sometimes you've seen in probably hip hop dance, I know Sierra does this a lot, where she pushes herself to the side. I believe Janet Jackson, Michael Jackson back in the day used to do it as well. All right? When you push the rib cage, push it off center. And even that will feel very uncomfortable, so just push. Use the shoulders to guide you as well. Yes. 2, 3, 4. Shift the toe. Yes, that's it. Push it. 3, that's it. Yes, Patrice, that's it. Keep going. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 1, 2. Yes, Danielle. Yes, Sarini. Yes, Sandy. That's it. That one is easy. Good, Valencia. Good, Jalisa. Yeah, good. Hold on, Patrice. You were just doing it. What's happening, girl? Push it to the side. Push it to the side. That's okay. All right. Get into it again. Really, shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out and do it again. That's okay. Shake it out. 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 Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Push. Shoulder. 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 That's it. That's it, Josette. Yes, Lynn. All right. Keep going. All right. So soul child is less about tilting, and more think about lift. So if I turn to the side, or let me turn to the back, probably is better to the back. So shift. So this will be an unusual movement. It will be unusual, especially if you don't move like this very often. So don't be worried if it feels awkward on you, especially if it's your first day doing a class with me. Don't you worry, okay? Shift. Let me turn back to the back. Here. So without so much shoulder emphasis, this is what it looks like. Back. Shoulder. Hey. Just easy. Yes. Now we're gonna do push forward, pull it back, breathe, open the chest, breathe out, breathe in, breathe, again. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. As the chest opens, you breathe in, breathe out. Push your chest. After 4, we're going to hold it in one position. 3, 4, hold it here in this big cave. Cave the spine, that's it, Sandy, that's it, Sarini, that's it, Valencia. Everybody has this one, good. 3, 2, 1, push forward. Push your chest forward, open the chest. You should feel a nice open chest here, breathe in. Good, that's it. Reverse it. 4, 5, 7, on the beat, we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so here's what we're going to do now. Shake it out. Here's what we're going to do now, ladies. We are actually going to add everything together. All right? So shake it out. If you need to take a sip, take a sip. Take a sip if you need it. So what we're going to do now is side, push back, side, and forward. And if I turn to the side, here's what it looks like. Side, forward, side, push back, side, forward. If I turn this direction, side, push back, side, forward, side, push back, side, forward, side, pull back, side, forward. If I turn this way, push back, side, push forward. So what that's going to turn into, there's a method to my madness. All right, here's what it's going to look like. You're going to go here. That's what that should take you into. All right? And we can go around. Yeah? Yes. So for the persons who don't have the side, for the persons who don't already have this, I encourage you to keep going here. Side, push back, side, and forward. Side, push back, side, and forward. Keep going on that. And for the persons who have the rotation, keep going. What I want you to do, keep practicing it. And on your own point, I want you to add the arms. Add the arms in. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and thing. All right? So add the shoulders very gently, a very gentle movement, gently. All right? Gentle. Remember, it's all about control. You should not be, the shoulders should not start to hurt after 5 seconds. Okay? Relax. If your shoulders start to fatigue after 5 seconds, it means you're going too hard. So I want you to start with here. This is for the persons who already have the rotation. For the other persons, I'm coming back to you. Don't worry. All right? Here. And then as the arms, your body will tell you when the arms are ready to let go. So you can start with the hands right here. And as you work into that movement, the body will tell you, okay, we're ready to let go now. Get going. Keep going. All right? Okay. All right. So moving to the persons who don't have it yet. So everybody else keep moving. So for the persons who don't have that rotation yet, here it is. Side. Back. Don't give up. Come on. Don't give up on me just yet. This is your first class. Forward. Side. I'm talking to you. Push back. Side. And forward. Okay. Breaking up. Okay. Just lift. 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 Just shift. 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 So I'll go as far as to say too, think about somebody lifting your shoulder. Lift the shoulder. Lift it. Lift. So think of a puppet. Think of a puppet and the strings are attached at the shoulders. Okay, so if you're lifeless and the shoulder lifts. It lifts. You're a puppet and your shoulders are being lifted by your puppet mover or your puppeteer. Oh Lord, is that what it's called, a puppeteer? I don't remember. It's a puppeteer. Okay, good. Okay, so we'll go here. 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 So listen. Come on, Patrice, come on. So don't think about leaning to the side so much. Don't lean to the side. Don't lean to the side. Erase that from your memory. Erase that. Do a turn. Turn around. Erase that. Erase that. That's not what it is. So just lift. Yes, Jalesia. Keep going. 3, 4. So I want to see beautiful things happening from everybody else. Lift the shoulder. So yes, soul child, I see some nice things happening here. Good. Yes, April. That's nice. Very nice, April. Very nice. Keep going, Lynn. Good. Really get the feeling into it now. Feel the music. Everybody hearing the music? Just give me a nod if you're hearing the music. Okay, good. Keep going. Push it. 3. And remember, yes. Keep going. And what you find is the movement might not be perfect, but guess what? Once you're feeling it, the movement looks good. That's okay. Yes. Nice work, Tarini. Keep going, Tarini. Push the side. Yes. Nice, beautiful. Tarini and Sandy, beautiful work. I love it. Keep going. Keep going. So some persons have already started to add the hips, which is fine. Because what you'll find is your body will start to tell you, okay, add the hips. I like it. Very good. I love it. Keep going, ladies. Listen to your body. Don't hold back just because I have not yet said move the hips. So I give you this time to listen to the music and just practice. Keep going. For persons who still have not got it is side, push back, side, and forward. That's just for the persons who still have not got it. Side and forward. Push side. Remember, you're a puppet. Side and forward. Okay, just do the side. The side. That's it, Jalecia. Good. Side to side. Lift. And lift. And lift. And lift. And lift. All right, music change. Music change. So shake it out. Shake that one out. Shake that one out. We're going to move to the hips now. Without further delay, we're going to move to the hips. Okay? We're moving right into the hips. Let me see the time. Oh my Lord, we have 10 minutes. And I believe that we can do the hips, and on top of the hips, we'll be able to add the arms. Okay? So we're just gonna go side, back, side, forward. Side, back, side, forward. Side, push back, side, forward. Now kind of goes that, around. 2. That's good. That's good. Keep going. And if you hear the music, play with the music. So I'm just doing a single circle. If you want to double it up, that's fine. 1. That's it. Other way. On your own count, you can shift to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Don't be afraid to bend those knees. Bend the knees to free up the hips. So if we keep the knees straight, it's going to keep the hips stiff. So relax. That's it. That's it. I see you, Sandy. Listen. Keep going, Tharini. Nice and sultry. That's good. Let me see. What is Valencia doing? I don't know. Go, Jalecia. Keep going. Go, Patrice. You've got it, Patrice. That's it. Relax. That's all you have to do is relax. That's it, Danielle. That's it, Danielle. I want to challenge you, Danielle, to relax the arms. Add the arms. Add the arms on this one, Danielle. That's it. Yes, girl. That's it. Yes. Yes. Don't hold back. If you want to add the head, add the neck as well. If you want to slow it down, slow it down. That's it. Relax. Good, ladies. So what I want you to think about is the intention. Oh my God, this music is beautiful. Listen to it. Here. Come on. Here. That's it, soul child. Nice and soulful. You go, girl. That's it. That's it. That's it, Lynn. You know what I like about when everybody starts to let go? You start to see the beauty in everybody. And I'm not just saying that, ladies. I'm not trying to be cliche. But when you really let go and realize that you don't need to be perfect in this class, with me, Chris, you can do whatever you feel like because that's the best version of you. All right? It really is true. When you look at yourself and dance, just do your thing. You see? Yes, that's it. That's it. Oh, you have my heart. Yes, ladies, keep going. I feel like I've done my job today. Yes, keep going. All around. 2, 3. Four. Can we play with it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Yes, I like that. No, but I like that. Nice, April. I like that you are moving the knees. So she was doing something really interesting with the knees. That's why I say let go. Beautiful things happen when you let go. That's nice, ladies. Keep going. Beautiful work, everybody. Beautiful work. Beautiful work from everybody. Nice, Lynn. Nice, April. Nice, Soul Child. Get right back into it, Josette. Get right back into it. Yes, Patrice. Nice. Even though you ran off of screen, that's fine. Very nice, Jalecia. Very nice. I like that. Very nice. I like that bounce. I like that bounce. That's nice. Listen to the beat. Yes. Bring those hands. That's right, Danielle. Keep going. That's it. That's it. And if you don't want to use the arms, you don't have to use the arms. All right? Keep going. Yes. Yes, Sandy. That's it, girl. Listen, Sandy is whole going down. Listen, Sandy's going down like that. Yes, I like it. Yes. Very nice, Larini. Keep going. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful energy from everybody. I love it. This is what happens when you relax. Yes. Listen, I tell y'all in the comments every time, it's all about practice. All right, what else do I have for you? Let me just show you this quickly. So, Shakira wine, you might not catch it right now. Some persons catch it right off the bat, some persons don't. The Shakira wine, you've seen it before. They do it in belly dancing, they do it in soca dancing, they do it in Jamaican dancing. You drop the hip, drop, drop, drop. So it's a complicated hip movement. It is complicated because when you want to think about, okay, Valencia, all right, take over, why don't you? All right. So what you really want to think about, ladies, is pushing the hip over to the side. There's a little contraction here, and then it stretches. So it's a stretch. So if you're not feeling a stretch, there's usually a stretch. So if you don't feel a lot of stretch, that's okay. It means you're probably just not very tight in that area, that's fine, right? But there's usually a nice stretch that happens in these muscles right here. And I'll go as far as to turn to the side. Hopefully you can see my knees. When they go, they're pedaling. So I'm going here. So the hips are not moving in isolation of the knees. Yes? They're pedaling. So let me just do this. Let me sit on the spot and just do it, and then you can just follow along. That's it. I love that Daniel is using her arms. Very nice, beautiful. Push the hips and drop them. That's good, girl. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I turn to the back now, let's catch the beat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We go. Side, side, side. Drop it, drop it, drop the knee, bend the knee. So hopefully you can see my knees are bending. So the knees are connected to the hips and they pull the hip down. So when the knees bend, the hips are pulled down. And it's nice and sultry. You can relax the arms. Hey, hey, hey. And if you really let it go, if you really allow your body to go, it will show you how to do beautiful things, yeah? Don't fight it. Here. And if you come back up, and if I turn to the side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and if I go down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. In the last few minutes, we have 2 minutes. So we're just going to practice for 2 minutes. All right? So we're going to start with the shoulder, wrist, shoulder, elbow, wrists, and fingers. We're going to go down into the torso, into the hips, and into the variation of the hips. And then we're going to call it a day. We're going to put everything together. Here we go. And here. 3, 4. You're right, Danielle. I was supposed to start with the arms. So here we go. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, and finger. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. Don't overthink about it. Just relax and do it, ladies. Just think, yes. You're doing it. Tell your body, yes, we're doing it. Even if what you're seeing is not it, the important thing is that you see it in your head first. Some of the greatest athletes in the world, now I'm being cliche, some of the greatest athletes in the world, they see themselves winning before they get to the track. So let's see it in our mind, see the movement, learn it, understand it in your head first, and then you get it. Again, hey, hey. Now we go, here. Understand the concept of it. That's beautiful, beautiful work. Yes, ladies. And if it feels right, lean forward, forward, forward. That's good. Lean back. back, back, again, lean forward. Don't forget the fingers. And go back. 2, 3, another torso. Side to side we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Forward and back, forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward, we're gonna go full rotation. Front, side, back, front, side, back, side. Yes, forward, side, back, forward, side, back. Let it go around. That's it. Just move that rib cage. Beautiful stuff. Very nice, everybody. Everybody actually, very nice. As far as I can see, everybody's doing well. Very good. 3. Push it. Keep going. Don't stop. Good. Yes. I love the fact that Soul Child has already added her hips. Now add the hips. Let's add the hips. Let's be as bold as Soul Child. Let's add those hips. Push. Just bring it in. Yes, ladies. You see how that feels natural? Very good. It feels natural once you let it go. Keep going. Relax. Relax the face. It's the intention behind the movement. That's it, girls. Move it around. And if your beat's a little bit faster than mine, that's fine. You can speed it up. Good work. Yes, Danielle. I love the arms. Yes, I'm only seeing Josette's legs. Keep going, Jalacia. Yes, keep going. Good. Good work. Good work, Valencia. Keep going, girl. That's it. That's it. All right, keep going, Tharini. Listen, I just love the unique flavor that everybody has on this. Keep going, Tharini. Excellent work. Yes, my girl, Sandy. Keep going. All right, that's it. Keep going. Very nice movement, ladies. All right, let's go into that Shakira. Let's end. Oh my God, we're over time. That's okay. We're having too much fun. Here, let's end it. We're having so much fun. You inspire me. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little bit lower, and then we're going to come up. 2, 3, 4. Bring it up. 2, 3, 4. And big one. Big one. Reverse it. Big one. Big one. All right, good ladies. Excellent work today. Breathe in. Inhale as deeply as you can. Inhale, inhale. Fill those lungs. Open that chest and breathe out. Big breath out. And again. Shake it out. We're going to breathe in again. Breathe in. And exhale it. All right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. You want to get a little stretch in, just stretch down, press back against those hamstrings. All I'm doing is touching the toes. If you need to bend the knees, and just relax here. If it's comfortable, you can clasp your hands, pull your head down a little bit, tuck the chin for a deeper stretch. You can sit in it, or you can stay straight-legged and get a deep, intense stretch in those hamstrings. If you feel like holding onto the back of the ankles, that's fine as well, all right? Hold it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rolling up. Vertebrae by vertebrae. Alright, so wherever you are, if you have a stool, whatever it is, you can pull the leg back, stretching the hip flexors, pushing the pelvis forward. A nice deep stretch here. We did a lot of work here today, ladies. Other side. Pushing the hips forward. Excellent work today. And drop that leg down. Give a deep stretch, sumo squat for 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And rolling up. Breathe in. Inhale deeply and exhale. All right, ladies, remember why we're here. Pinktober. breast cancer awareness. Check the link in my bio for a self-help breast exam. Okay, the link is in my bio on Instagram. I will be saving this video for you, so it should be live by tomorrow morning in Jamaica, Saturday morning. I think it's already morning in Australia. Okay, and it might be morning where Lynn is in Bali as well. All right, so I'll have this ready for you in very soon. All right, thank you, ladies, for being here. Okay, all right, see you all later. Bye. No problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. All right. Oh, and ladies, if you want to join us for Fitness Fridays, I forgot to say, commercial break. If you want to join us for Fitness Fridays, you can DM me. You have my contacts, all right? And what else is coming up? Dance Week is coming up on October 26th. All right. So see you all later. DM me for information. All right. Bless you all. Bless you all. Bless you all. You're the only girl that I